Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Caringbah. This is the Porsche 996 I was talking about before a few weeks ago. So if you look at this wiring here, all the actual insulation had come off. Look at that, it's just too old. See here, that's off, that's off, that's off. Inside here, look at the wiring in there for the radio, that's off as well. So I've got to actually fix this up. There's so much wiring all tangled up, so I've got to actually fix all that up properly, tape it up like this with insulation tape like that, and then get everything back together. We're nearly there on this one here, so just hopefully I can finish all this today, the wiring, and fit this back in. Then tomorrow I was going to assemble the bottom part and the front part here, get that done as well, and the wipers and all that, and then hopefully we can actually go for a road test tomorrow afternoon. Okay, just a quick video to show what I'm doing step by step. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.